So question number 2, it says let x be uniform in 0, 1, 4, 5 and y be uniform in 0, 2, 8, 10 and they are independent. So it is given that x and y are independent. So what is the distribution of x plus y? This is what we have to find. Now what all information do we have? That first is x and y are independent. Second is x is uniform in 0, 1, 4, 5. So their probability distribution will be like probability that x equals 0 is 1 by 4, probability that x equals 1 is 1 by 4, x equal 4 is 1 by 4 and x equal 5 is 1 by 4. And the third is y is also uniform in 0, 2, 8, 10. So similarly, the probability that y takes the value 0 is 1 by 4, or y takes the value 2 is 1 by 4, y takes the value 8 is 1 by 4 and y takes the value 10 is 1 by 4. Now we have to find the distribution of x plus y. So first thing that we will do is we will find the range of x plus y. Find the range of x plus y. So x is taking the value in 0, 1, 4, 5 and y is taking the value in 0, 2, 8, 10. So x plus y will take the value in, so 0 plus 0, so it will be 0, 2, 8, 10, comma, 1, 3, 9, 11, 4, 0, so it is 4, 4, 2, so 6, 8, 12 and 14. Then 5 plus 0 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 5, 8, 13 and 5, 10, 15. So if you write this properly in ascending or if you write it properly, you will get the range of x plus y. So range of x plus y is, so you can see you have 0 here, you have 1 here, we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the range of x plus y is 0 to 15. Now we will have to find what is the probability that x plus y equals 0. What is the probability that x plus y equals 1? Up to what is the probability that x plus y equals 15? Probability that x plus y equals 0. So let's see it here. So probability that x plus y equals 0. So in what cases we are getting x plus y to equals to be 0? So this is happening when x equals 0 and y equals 0. Also it is given to us in the problem that x and y are independent. So we can write probability x equals 0 into probability y equals 0. So this is going to be 1 by 4 into 1 by 4, that is 1 upon 16. Similarly, we will find probability that x plus y equals 1. So we have x plus y equals 1 in the case when x equal 1, when x equal 1 and y equals 0. So again, since these are independent, we can write x equals 1 into probability y equals 0. So again, this is 1 upon 16. So similarly, as we can see that we have like for each of these values that x plus y take, we have only one possibility for x and y. So for every such cases, for x plus y equals 2, for x plus y equals 3, you will have one such pair of values for x and y, for which you will get the probability 1 upon 16. So you can solve similarly in the same manner. So if you have to find probability x plus y equals 15, you will get, so this is happening for the case that for x equals 5 and y equals 10. So again, we can, since these are independent, we can write 1 by 4 into 1 by 4, that is 16. So for each of these pair of values, we will get the probability for x plus y equals 0 to 15 to be 1 by 16. So now we'll write the distribution of x plus y is, so let's say you have here x plus y and you have f of x plus y. So x plus y taking the value 0, we have 1 by 16. X by taking the value 1, we have probability 1 by 16. Up to x plus y taking the value 15, we have the probability 1 by 16. So we can write that x plus y is uniform in 0, 1 up to 15. So this is your answer.